It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. Here are some natural ways to beat the heat and help your AC system do its job. Fans are a great way to circulate air, but make sure your ceiling fan is spinning counterclockwise. This pushes air downward, creating a cooling breeze that helps lower the temperature in the room. Cover windows during the day, open them at night. During the hottest part of the day, close your blinds or curtains to block out the sun. While natural light can boost your mood, it also heats up your home. Once the sun sets and temperatures drop, open the windows to let cooler air flow through. Lowering humidity won't directly decrease the temperature, but it can make your home feel more comfortable. High humidity can make the air feel sticky and warm, even with a breeze. By making small adjustments like these, you can keep your home cooler naturally and save energy in the process. Stay comfortable and beat the heat. We thought you'd like to know.